The Asian Development Bank, or ADB, has cut its projection for Asia's economic growth in 2021 to 7% from last September's projection of 7.1%. An increase in COVID cases and the emergence of a new variant, Omicron, were some of the factors behind this cut in projection.
The Asian Development Bank, ADB, has revised its growth projections for Asia, taking into account the increase in COVID cases and the emergence of a new variant, Omicron. In its latest report, ADB estimates that Asia's GDP will grow by 7%. This is slightly lower than the projection made in September, which was 7.1%. A slowdown is also estimated to still occur in 2022, as growth in Asia is projected to be at a range of 5.3%. In the report, ADB also warns that mutated variants of the coronavirus, such as Omicron, must be taken seriously. Meanwhile, Asia's largest economy, China, is estimated to grow slower than before, namely by 8% in 2021 and 5.3% in 2022.
The economy has performed very well in 2021. ADB is forecasting GDP growth at about 8%, with low inflation at about 1% due to the declining pork prices. The labor market, a very important indicator, has been quite stable and healthy, and it has reached pre-pandemic levels.
ADB Country Director for China, Yolanda Fernandez Lomin, said that China's economic performance this year was very good. Although economic growth slowed in the second half of this year, the stimulus rolled out by the government, including flexible and appropriate fiscal and monetary policies, will be the foundation for solid economic growth next year. Meanwhile, for Indonesia, ADB said that an economic growth of 3.5% in 2021, considering the strict mobility restrictions earlier in July due to the spread of the Delta variant, which had negatively impacted consumption. Despite this, consumption and investment in Indonesia is expected to bounce back in the fourth quarter of 2021, with numbers of infections decreasing and restrictions easing.